Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today I'm sharing with you a really easy lunch or dinner recipe idea. We love Costco and I love croissants. We like to get the big pack of croissants. We do like lunch meat salads a lot, egg salad, chicken salads, just regular old lunch meat. I love to use these for breakfast recipes like egg and cheese and bacon sandwiches. Today we are doing a hot honey ham and cheese baked in the oven. Yum. Oh, okay. Super easy, you guys. I am going to just go ahead and slice my croissant. I am making this just for me today, but I love this recipe. We did it for dinner the other night. It's really quick to do it in bulk. So whether you've got 4, 6, 8 people in your family, it's a very, very easy recipe. And it's versatile. Like you can switch out meats and cheeses. Makes everybody happy. I like to put my cheese on the bottom. I'm going to use provolone today. You could use gruyere, you could use Swiss, goes great with ham. Grabbing my ham lunch meat. Pile it on as much as you want. Now, I am the only one in my family who likes this, but I tell you, I put these pickled red onions on like everything. If you're into pickled onions or looking for a different easy kind of condiment relish idea, I will share this recipe with you. I am digging out some of these red onions. These are so good on this sandwich. They strangely, very deliciously complement the hot honey. They go really well together. I'll put it back on. Now I'm using hot honey. I also got this hot honey from Costco, but we actually have some people that live maybe like an hour and a half from here. They actually do hot honey and sell it in some of our grocery stores. And so I'm actually going to start using theirs instead of the big brand, but whatever. Hot honey, friends, is amazing. I also love to put this on my non-bread pizzas that I make all the time for lunch. So drizzle on as much hot honey as you want. Put the lid back, or the top half back on. We're gonna bake this in the oven, 350 degrees. Does not take long. I'm saying like 3 to 5 minutes tops, just long enough for that cheese to start melting and your croissant to soften and warm up. For my quick, easy lunch today, I did a hot honey, like the honey is the hot honey kind, ham and cheese croissant. I added pickled red onions to the top, baked it in the oven at 350 degrees for just a few minutes till the cheese melted. So yummy, y'all. Check out this out. Tomato feta, red onion, balsamic vinaigrette, side salad. Great way to use up tomatoes. I have been totally into these pickled red onions lately. And we love croissants. We love to do egg salad, chicken salads, lunch meat salads. Love to do like breakfast, egg and cheese and bacon croissants. So it's just another great, easy idea for y'all. If you've got croissants to use up or lunch meat to use up, makes for a great lunch or dinner. In the Kitchen with Grace, I am making a really simple, very healthy little side salad to go with my lunch. I am doing a hot honey ham and cheese, literally with hot honey, not just honey, croissant. And I am going to do a little side salad. I have a ton of tomatoes. I am actually about to start making a couple batches of salsa this afternoon. And so I wanted a quick, easy little lunch before I jump into that fun project. And so this is a great way to use up tomatoes if you have a bunch or need to get some used up. It is very simple. We are doing tomatoes, feta cheese, and my pickled red onions. And I'm going to go ahead and just slice my tomatoes. I'm using Roma tomatoes. These are kind of mini ones, but you can honestly use whatever tomatoes you want to. We like to do this for like a nice healthy side salad dish when we're gonna have dinner time. It's also a great like caprese burrata style. You could totally add in fresh mozzarella cheese or burrata cheese, some fresh basil. Just gonna line it up here like so. I am gonna grab some of my pickled red onions. I will share that recipe with you. It is linked above and below. It's a very pretty recipe too. Put however many pickled onions you want. These are kind of sweeter pickled onions, so it's not like super tart. I'm gonna take my feta cheese and kind of crumble it right on top. If you want to, you could add some black pepper. If you are into hot honey, you could totally drizzle some hot honey on top. Hot honey and the pickled red onions really pair well together. It's kind of a surprise little treat there. Or you could also drizzle some balsamic vinaigrette. Because of the pickled onions, there's already a lot of flavor, so you don't really need to add anything at all if you don't want to. I happen to really like balsamic vinaigrette anytime I make a tomato style salad, so I'm just going to drizzle just the slightest bit there. And there we have our tomato feta pickled onion side salad.